Hello, hello. Welcome to day 2. I'm up here in this corner today, and we're going to read part 2 of Your Fantastic Elastic Brain. Are we ready? So yesterday I finished talking about the organ called the brain. Let's keep reading. The brain controls everything you do, everything you think, everything you feel, even everything you dream. Hey, I had that same dream. The brain has many parts that do all kinds of different jobs. The blue part is the cerebrum. The green part is the hippocampus, this little swirly thing. The red part is the cerebellum. The yellow part, that small part on the end of the hippocampus, is the amygdala. Ooh, fancy words. And then over here in the orange is called the prefrontal cortex, or for short, PFC. The little birds say, "Whoa, that pink stuff is busy." Yes, it is. And do you know how smart Miss Miranda feels saying all those fancy words? You guys are going to get to know those words really well too. All right, so let's talk about all those. The cerebrum, which is the blue part, you see the phonetic spelling there, cerebrum, is the largest part of your brain. It helps you think and speak. You can thank your cerebrum for being able to think and sing and talk and rhyme and all those fun things. The cerebellum, which is in the back part of your brain, it's the red part, kind of point to it for me. The cerebellum is a small part of the back of the brain that helps your muscles to coordinate your movement and your balance so that you can walk, ride a bike, or play tag. I can walk and chew gum. So think about it. If you play some sort of sport like baseball or maybe gymnastics or dance or karate, something like that, you can thank your cerebellum for being able to balance and move. So fancy. All right, the next one, the prefrontal cortex, or PFC for short, is the part of your brain behind your forehead, right here. It lets you make plans and decisions. So if you are standing there at the cafeteria and the lady says, "Mystery meat or secret soup?" What are you gonna pick? I'll pick the secret soup. How about you? Let's go over to the amygdala. That one's funny. I like how that sounds. Amygdala. Try say it with me. Amygdala is a tightly packed group of cells deep within the center of your brain. So we can't even get close to it by touching. It's like the very center. Think of like a Tootsie Pop. If you suck it all the way to the middle to get the actual Tootsie Roll part, the chewy part of the lollipop, that's kind of where the amygdala is, okay? The amygdala is a tightly packed group of cells deep within the center of the brain that controls your emotions. Excited, angry, embarrassed, frightened, sad, and happy. I'm sure we've all felt those before. Okay, the hippocampus sounds like a hippo, right? The hippocampus is at the center of your brain. It works like a file cabinet to help you store and find memories. Think back to maybe first grade. What is something you remember from first grade? Think about it right now. Boom, that's your hippocampus working. Lastly is neurons. Neurons are everywhere in your brain. They are tiny brain cells that make electrical signals to send messages to other cells in your body, telling them what to do. Amygdala means almond. I didn't know that. I can see how it got that name because it's the shape of an almond. I was calling it a Tootsie Roll. When you were born, you were very little. Your brain was so small and not so strong. As you get older, your body grows and gets stronger. As part of your body, your brain grows and learns to do new things. And you can make your brain do even more. Your brain goes very fast during the first 10 years of your life. This is the magic decade when you can help your brain go faster and be more powerful. Wow. Let's finish this page tomorrow.